When cleaning a barbecue, there's multiple areas we need to consider. Most hot plates and grills collect grease and grit, which is then very tough to clean when it dries up. For this, we can use a Kärcher steam cleaner to loosen the grime so it can be easily wiped away. Start by filling up your steam cleaner with tap water, then turn it on and wait for it to heat up. This will only take a couple of minutes. Now you can use the power of steam to loosen all the grime buildup on your barbecue. We also use a tough bristle set for some extra abrasion to tackle those really tough areas. And now it's clean. Far easier than scrubbing with a brush by hand. For the hood on the outside, it's best to use the hand tool with the microfibre cloth. This allows you to loosen any grease or marks whilst also wiping the area simultaneously. So there you have it, a nice clean barbie.